Why most people never reach their potential. Many people spend their lives feeling stuck. They work hard. They try different things, but nothing really changes. They think the problem is money or education. Or luck. But David J. Schwartz explains something different. The real problem is how they think. Success does not start with opportunity. It starts with thinking. And the biggest difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is not talent. It is the size of their thinking. This book teaches one simple idea. If you want a bigger life, you must learn to think bigger. The first lesson in the book is the foundation of everything. Believe you can succeed. Most people fail before they even start. They fail in their minds. They think, I'm not good enough. I don't know enough. Other people are better than me. These thoughts feel real, but they are not facts. They are beliefs. And beliefs control behavior. When you believe you cannot succeed, you act carefully. You hesitate, you avoid risk. But when you believe you can succeed, your behavior changes, you speak differently, you try more, you take action. Belief comes first, results come later. What you believe affects how you talk, how you act, what you try, what you avoid. A person who believes in himself, speaks with confidence, makes decisions faster, handles failure better. A person who doubts himself, waits for permission, avoids responsibilities up quickly. The difference is not ability. The difference is belief. Your mind listens to what you tell it. So be careful with your thoughts. The book introduces a powerful idea called excuses disease. David Schwartz calls it excusitis. Excusitis is the habit of explaining failure instead of fixing it. Common excuses include, I don't have time, I'm not smart enough, I'm too young, I'm too old, I don't have connections. Excuses feel comfortable, but they stop growth. Every successful person faces problems. The difference is how they respond. Big thinkers ask, what can I do about this? Small thinkers say, this is why I can't. Every time you hear yourself making an excuse, pause. Ask yourself, what is one small action I can take? What can I learn? Who can help me? You don't need perfect conditions. You need progress. Excuses keep you still. Action moves you forward. Many people wait to feel confident before they act. That is a mistake. The book explains a key truth. Action creates confidence. Fear grows when you wait. Confidence grows when you move. Even small actions help. Sending one message, learning one skill, taking one step. You don't need to feel ready. You need to start. Fear does not mean danger. Fear often means growth. Every time you try something new, fear appears. That is normal. Successful people feel fear too. They just don't let it control them. They act despite fear. And every action weakens fear. Most people think too small about themselves. They focus on past mistakes, wrestle. Big thinkers focus on strengths, skills, improvement. Your self-image controls your performance. If you see yourself as weak, you will act weak. If you see yourself as capable, your actions will rise. You become what you believe you are. Many people hide their abilities. They stay quiet. They avoid responsibility. Big thinkers do the opposite. They speak up, take responsibility, trust themselves to learn. You don't need to know everything. You need to believe you can learn. Thinking big is not natural for everyone. It is a habit, and habits can be built. Big thinking habits include positive language, goal setting, visualization from others. Small thinking habits include complaining, blabbing, effort. Your habits shape your future. Words shape thoughts. Thoughts shape actions. Big thinkers use strong language. I will try. I can learn this. Let's find a solution. Small thinkers use weak language. I'll try if I can. This might not work. It's probably impossible. Change your words. Change your thinking. Big thinkers see success before it happens. They imagine finishing the project, achieving the goal, becoming confident. Visualization prepares the mind. When your mind believes something is possible, your actions follow. Small goals produce small results. Big goals create energy. They motivate. They inspire action. Even if you don't reach a big goal exactly, you will grow more trying. Set goals that stretch you. Your environment affects your thinking. The people around you matter. Negative people criticize, encourage growth. Positive people support, encourage, and improvement. Product your mindset. Distance yourself from negativity when possible. Big thinking includes emotional intelligence. Successful people listen and respect others, communicate clearly. They don't feel threatened by others' success. They believe there is room for everyone to grow. Big thinkers act quickly. They don't wait for perfect timing. They focus on, what can I do today? Action creates momentum. Momentum creates confidence. Failure is not the enemy. Every mistake contains information. Big thinkers ask, what went wrong? What can I improve? What did I learn? Then they move forward. Defeat becomes permanent only when you quit. Big thinkers use setbacks as lessons. They adjust. They improve. They continue. Success is not one big moment. It is small actions repeated daily. Consistency matters more than talent. Ask yourself, who am I becoming? How does this person think? How does this person act? Start acting like your future self. The magic of big thinking is not magic. It is a choice. A choice to believe more, aim higher, stop thinking small. You don't need permission. You don't need perfection. You need belief and action. Because when you change how you think, you change what you do. And when you change what you do, you change your life. Before you close this video, take a moment to think about your own life. Not about success as a dream, but as a direction. Big thinking is not about becoming famous, rich, or perfect. It is about refusing to stay limited by old beliefs, old fears, and old versions of yourself. Every time you choose to learn, to try again, or to move forward without certainty, you are already thinking bigger. Growth does not happen in one decision. It happens through daily choice that slowly change who you are. If this message resonated with you, and you want more content that helps you grow step by step, consider subscribing to the channel. New summaries, ideas, and practical mindset lessons are coming soon. Keep growing. Keep moving forward. Your future self is watching.